In this video, we'll show you how to apply conditional formatting rules in PixelPerfect reports using the expression editor. In this example, we want to highlight sales values under $350,000 in red and those above $350,000 in green. We'll use the report template with the native table we created in previous videos. Start by opening the expression editor for the sales row. Select foreground color and expand the function tree. Then select Logical. Double-click the if function to insert it in the expression editor. Next, go to Fields and double-click Sales to insert it between the open parentheses and the first comma. Now select Operators and double-click the less than sign symbol. Alternatively, you can add the symbol manually. Then type in the value 350,000. Now it's time to define the colors. You can either type the color names manually or go to Values and double-click the colors you want to use. The first color will apply to sales under 350,000. We'll select red for this value and place it after the first comma. The second color will apply to sales over 350,000. So we'll choose green and place it after the second comma. When you're done, click Apply, and then click OK to confirm and exit the editor. Now let's run a report preview to see the result. As you can see, the values are conditionally colored based on the sales amount. Sales above 350,000 are green, while those below are red. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.